T-14 Armata, the first Russian tank designed to secure a contract for production after the fall of the Soviet Union, and now providing fire support to Russian troops from behind the front line in the Ukraine conflict. The tank was unveiled in 2015, but production was delayed. Originally planned for delivery to the Russian ground forces in 2018, the handover was pushed to 2019, and then to 2021. Design work began in 2010, and the entire information management suite, hardware and software, are domestically produced. The tank is built on a modular combat platform that can be adapted for other armored vehicles, and measures 10.8 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, 3.3 meters high, with a combat weight of 48 tons. The T-14 serves as a basis for other armored variants, such as a heavy infantry fighter vehicle, IFV, and armored personnel carrier, APC. According to Russian state media, the T-14 Armata tanks have been deployed for combat testing in the ongoing conflict with Ukraine. The tanks have reportedly provided fire support from a short distance behind the front line in the Donetsk region, but have not been used for direct assaults. The deployment of the advanced T-14 Armata tank has raised concerns among Ukraine and its allies about the escalation of the conflict. The tank's hull is divided into 3 compartments: a crew cab at the front, an unmanned remote-controlled turret in the center, and a power pack at the back. The driver, gunner, and commander sit in a special armored capsule, with entry and exit provided through 3 front hatches. The turret's roof includes various antennae, and the tank is powered by an A85-3 turbocharged diesel engine coupled with a 12-speed automatic transmission. The T-14 Armata tank features a unique suspension system with 7 dual rubber-tired road wheels on each side, providing improved maneuverability and stability on rough terrain. It has a top speed of 80 to 90 km per hour and a maximum cruising range of 500 km. Its high-powered diesel engine and transmission unit enhances maneuverability, and its active suspension system improves accuracy by reducing sway on rough terrain. The T-14 Armata's unique design revolves around its unmanned turret, which gives it both advantages and disadvantages compared to other main battle tanks. Equipped with a 2A82-1M smoothbore gun, automatic loader, and 57mm grenade launcher, the tank's weapons systems are automated and located separately from the crew. The tank's armor protection includes an armored fighting capsule with 900mm protection against armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot APF SDS and 1400mm against high-explosive anti-tank warhead heat. The armor is also complemented by Malachite explosive reaction armor, which supposedly boosts the effective armor by 50%. The tank's active suspension improves its sway resistance on rugged terrain, enhancing target lock time and fire accuracy. The T-14 Armata tank boasts a range of design features that make it a formidable weapon on the battlefield. The tank's special coating and silhouette help to reduce its visibility in the thermal and radar range of observation, while the wheels are partially covered by anti-heat rubber skirts, and the tank sides have built-in reactive armor screens. Anti-heat grills also cover the engine's exhaust pipes in the rear. The armor is capable of withstanding the impact of any current anti-tank weapon, and the tank's frontal protection is equivalent to that of a 1200 to 1400mm steel armor plate. The armor protection consists of composite materials and the newest armor steel, making the resistibility of the T-14 Armata 15% greater than that of any other armored vehicle with the same mass. Extra fuel tanks behind the armor considerably bolster the tank's durability. The T-14 Armata features the Afghani hard-kill active protection system, which has reportedly been successful in defending against projectiles traveling at speeds up to 1700 meters per second, and is said to be capable of handling speeds up to 3000 meters per second. The tank's explosive reactive armor also provides excellent protection by propelling the armor plate to resist projectile penetration without damaging the steel plate, even against anti-tank missiles and gunfire with ammunition such as the 120mm uranium M829. The Russian Defense Ministry claims that the T-14 Armata has superior passive and active protection compared to other armored vehicles. The T-14 Armata's APS Afghani is designed to automatically detect and destroy incoming enemy anti-tank shells and guided missiles. The system is fully automated and capable of intercepting a wide range of weapons, including guided anti-tank missiles, rocket-propelled anti-tank grenades, and shells fired from man-portable anti-tank grenade launchers, as well as armor-piercing sabots and air-to-surface missiles. The APS also provides defense against attacks from above, such as those launched by drones. In fact, the system can detect and emit an aerosol smokescreen to render the missile uncontrollable. With this advanced protection, the T-14 Armata is currently considered to have one of the best active protection systems in the world. As for testing, information about where the tank is tested is not widely available to the public. Russia has tested its advanced T-14 Armata tank in Syria to evaluate its capabilities in a real combat environment under desert conditions, with further tests planned for various climatic conditions. This includes specific computer parts and resilience to factors like aurora polaris and others. The tank has raised concerns among Ukrainian officials and its allies about the escalation of the ongoing conflict. Only time will reveal the effectiveness of this tank.